everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we're going to be feeding some horses. So we're going to make this trough and hay bale. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. Now this is a pretty simple build, so we won't rush through it too much. But anyway, I'm talking too much. 4x6 standard base plate in this light lime green. Well, that's going to be our grass, and on the edges we are going to attach these simple brown studs in this light grey, and these are going to be the little legs for our trowel or bucket or whatever you like to call it. A 2x6 standard base plate in red just on top like so, and another base plate, this 2x4 base plate here as well. Now on the side we're going to bring in these 1x1 bricks with clips and we're going to stick them on the side like so, and on top of that a 1x2 tile in red, because I'm going to go with a grey and red design for this one, but you can use any other colours you like if you do not have these ones. A 1x2 standard brick, just a regular standard brick on top like this, and a 1x2 jumper plate like this one. In the middle section we are going to make sure that our food or water or whatever it is does not fall out, so we're going to be using 4 of these 1x2 panel pieces in this light grey. We're going to make a kind of area over here with sides to make sure that it doesn't fall out. On this jumper plate we are going to be attaching a kind of handle piece, one of the little handle piece like this in yellow, just like this, and this is going to be our tap in case we want to add a little bit of water. Now for the hay bale that I showed you, it's really nice and simple as well, but it's stackable. So a 2x4 standard base plate like this one in bright yellow, and what we're going to be using is we're going to be using these ribbed kind of bricks, and these ribbed kind of bricks are 1x2 bricks. The ribbed area is one way this way and another way this way, and what we're going to do is we're going to get 4 of them, and we're just going to alternate the kind of texture like so, and we're going to stick a 2x4 tile like this on top. Just a nice simple hay bale. We're going to bring this back, and there we've done it. So there we have it. Our trough and hay bale is complete. And if you haven't guessed, we're going to be feeding some animals today. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our trough and we're going to get some plants. I've got a carrot and some of these 3-stem leaf pieces. These are going to be like cabbage leaves. If you don't have plants, you can use any nice green bricks that you can find to provide us plants. We've got this hay bale. Now this hay bale is really nice and simple. It's just a brick basically, just with a little bit of texture, so you can make many of these and just stack them all together to make nice simple hay bales that have a really nice effective design. As for the trough, we've got a tap here, so you can fill it with water. You can make more troughs or different kinds of troughs or even bigger ones. I've got clips over here in case you want to add some tools like a spade or some scissors maybe even. Who wants scissors on a farmyard? Well, we've got a horse. No! And this horse is just going to come over here, bend its head down and dig into the food over here. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!